Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check BVN on Opay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Opay app and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your profile at top. Under your profile section, you'll find your account tier option. Just tap on that. Right there, you'll also see your BVN. However, please note that your BVN will not be fully visible. It will be partially hidden with asterisks for security reasons. If you want to view your complete BVN, you'll need to take an extra step. Open your phone's dialer and enter the code *565 again, *0 and hash. Once you've dialed that code, select the option for BVN from the list that appears and proceed. Make sure that you call this code using the same phone number that is registered with your Opay account. You'll then be prompted to enter your date of birth. Once you've entered your correct date of birth, your full BVN number will be displayed on your screen. And that's it. So that's basically how you can check BVN on Opay. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.